at that sunset. I guess I kind of just missed it. Man, these clouds, there's something else. I don't know if the camera gets that, but there's some cool colors. What's up, YouTube? So, I hope you guys had a good Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and all that other good shit. So, I am actually cleaning up the garage because it's become really big mess. So, I threw the fenders on the car for shits and giggles. Now, that engine bay. Ain't that fucking awesome? I mean, especially with the fenders on. Looks really fucking cool. And then I threw the steering wheel and seat in for shits and giggles. Now I haven't built the mounts yet, but yeah, I think that's pretty interesting. Yes, the seat is sitting crooked because it's loose and bolted in yet. So I got both sides of the floor fully welded. Like I said, probably in the Christmas video, still got weld the underside of it, and so on and so forth. So let me flip this around. So the floor is completely done, as mentioned. It's all welded up. Maybe a pinhole here and there or two need to take care of. Like I said, that still needs to be chopped out, but I actually need to cut that out and take the gas tank out. So that's why I threw the steering wheel on. And if you spin the steering wheel, look, the wheels move. So hopefully I will have a video of this thing on the ground, because I'm a little curious how low this is going to sit. Because we'll sit there now. It should go lower. And yeah, it is too freaking cold to paint. So I'm painting until I can like heat the garage. Maybe if I flip it around, I could leave the door open here and get some more heat. But yeah, we're in the 50s. It's actually 52, but this wall's a little bit warmer because it's next to the water heater. But yeah, got all my little baggies marked and everything, and just like trying to clean up because I need to roll this car out and in. And then I might mess with this a little bit. I was thinking about just welding a hoop and, a washer on there and move this to the washer. That way there's not much play in it. But like I said, that was a cool mod. So there's the steering column, and no light. A little bit better light. Now the booster's not in, so there's pickup mounts on that. They're just loosely tossed in there for shits and giggles. So I actually got to retain the bracket or the gasket, so that's pretty cool. I am going to get a smaller wheel because that's just silly. And for shits and giggles, like I said before, if I cut this like here, I could have a little center console gizmo. I'm going to use the whole center console. So here it is, all the way on the ground. No blocks. Still need some weight. I need to roll it back and forth. The wheels are a little cambered, but it is all the way on the ground. And bouncy. Not like you fucking see that, but so the wheels are about there. And the back wheels, now this thing's on the bump stop, so I should be able to lay frame with the Miata stuff in here for sure. So I mean, that's factory springs right there, and yeah, definitely need to lower it. Got that. What is that? One shoe gap. So get some coilovers or something, then lower it. But it's on the ground. Hopefully tomorrow I'll turn it around. I just had to put that wood somewhere. It's not doing anything. And yeah, steering wheel's in. So it's coming along. But all that still needs to get cut out. But that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's where we're at. You know, day before New Year's Eve, finally got the car on the ground, ready to roll it out hopefully tomorrow and push it back in. That way I can have a start on it in January, I hope. Other than that, I hope you guys are having, you know, good holidays. Wish all you a good New Year's. And, you know, thank you for all you new subscribers. Thank you to all you old subscribers for watching, liking, subscribing, leaving comments. I appreciate it. So y'all take care and have a great New Year's. Peace out.